Welcome to the Young Trombone page. This is not necessarily for young people or kids, but this is for anyone who is just getting started out working with the trombone. All right, so we're in the last few pages here of Habits of a Successful Beginning or Beginner Band Musician. And this is page 44 and 45. Beginning with William Strikes Again, which is William Tell Overture. And On to Complicated Gifts, number 189. And down to 190, Moroccan Folk Song. And last song on 44, American Patrol. All right, on to page 45 here. We have the B flat major scale, the arpeggio, scale in thirds, and the chromatic scale starting on B flat. And here we go. 2, 2, 3. Two in thirds. Chromatic in B flat. All right, and then here in between 192 and 193, they show us some new notes. D flat in second, D in first, which also can be done in a flat fourth, and E flat in third. Usually when I do the E flat scale, it just depends on what happens after the E flat. If I do D to E flat, back to D, I usually do fourth just for the ease of the slide work. But if I have to go D to E to F, I'll do you can get kind of a bit more speed in there. I'm not going to do the lower pitches on this. It's going to be all, when they divide it, it's going to be all upper. flat chromatic. And moving on to 194, scale thirds and chromatic in A flat. Oh, yep, I feel it. There we go. To chromatic. Thank you for checking out my trombone tutorial page. I appreciate it and look forward to seeing you again next time.